To go?
Yeah.
All right. Good morning, everybody. It's Clara-Nicole. She's Crafty too, and you're joining me in the comfort of my own home in my living room out of San Antonio, Texas. So before we start, I want to go ahead and ask you, what is the weather like? Because right now it is already headed into winter, supposedly here in Texas, in San Antonio. It's already rainy and a little bit cool. So let me know how your weather is, and where are you watching me from? It is 9 o'clock. I know everybody is from all over the world, so we got everybody either waking up or going to sleep, okay? So this morning, I want to show you how you can turn a fabulous Christmas planter into something, well, okay, not fabulous. We'll just call it a fuddy-duddy, because to me, it is a fuddy-duddy, and it needs more work. So maybe to some people it looks like it's done, but it needs a lot more work. So I am here this morning because I want to also remind you that Hometalk has decided to be an affiliate for Creators Digest, and Creators Digest is a collaboration of 5 awesome home decor, I guess you could call us wreath decor and home decor people. And she has the link up top, okay? So we show you 5 different tutorials on how to decorate a Christmas tree, how to make your own centerpiece. Definitely not a planter box, but we have a beautiful Christmas Santa centerpiece that you can make, how to design your own mantle, and how to make your own wreath, and then an outside, I think a light post. So how to turn fabulous decor into something awesome and look like a professional came in your home. Okay, so the link is up top. We want to make sure y'all visit that website. They are an affiliate, and we want to see some awesome decor. So let's go ahead and get this started. Okay, so I have a bunch of greenery here. You could get greenery like at home, not Home Goods, at home or Hobby Lobby or wherever. So I'm going to go ahead and start adding some greenery, and I want to give this planter some, like, it already doesn't have length, but we'll see how this works. Okay, so I got a lot of stuff here. Let me put some stuff on the floor behind me because this could get pretty crowded up here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the end, and this does have foam. Grace, you want to get closer, or are you a little far? So I'm gonna go ahead and just put that in there. This is a candle holder, and hopefully we can bring some of this length in where it's not sticking out too much. Is anybody asking questions? Can you see anything?
I only see one person join, but that was in the beginning. I don't think you can see. I was trying to reconnect. Okay. Off and on.
It does.
Okay.
Okay. We're gonna keep pressing on. All right. So I got these.
April said hi from Ohio.
Hi, April. So I got these picks. Huh?
Nothing.
Okay, I got these picks, I believe, at Hobby Lobby, but you can find picks anywhere, like at Michael's or wherever. And just adding that gave it a little bit of life, and it brought in that frost look and some real pretty, like, what is this? I don't know, white picks that look like snow. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut some of this up. So you can cut some picks like this and just tear them apart, and we're just gonna stick them in and kind of give this planter a look. So it'll start coming to life where it's just not all green. So you don't have to worry about, you know, where you put everything. Just kind of stick it in. You want to mix up your greens and totally jazz it up. Just one pick at a time. Is anybody else asking any questions, baby?
I still can't see any comments.
Okay, all right, well, I'm just gonna keep on trucking because Grace cannot see any comments. So when you jump on, say hello. I will go back and answer any questions that y'all have. Don't forget to share and show some heart love, right? Because we love when y'all show us that you love what we come on here to show you. Especially around this time with all the awesome holidays, the Halloween, the fall, and the Christmas ideas that I've been seeing some of my buddies show y'all. I know y'all have to have beautiful homes by now. Okay, so look at these. Grace, you seem a little too far, honey. Get closer. Okay, look how this one is. Real pretty. Okay, so this is boring, but when we plug that in, it's gonna give it a nice little jazzaroo there. Okay. And thank you, everybody.
Lucinda wants to know if you bought You bought the planter box or you made it?
No, I actually bought this planter box. Now let me fill you in on something. If you go to stores like TJ Maxx or Home Goods or Marshalls, those places, especially Home Goods, they have stuff like this. So I haven't seen too much like Hobby Lobby or Michael's have these things, but definitely those stores and the at-home store as well. But I tend to find these at Home Goods every year, so I keep a good lookout for these. And you know, I think I'm definitely going to paint the planter box tonight when I go live on my page later on, and I'm probably going to put some words on it right here because it's kind of fuddy-duddy. Well, it actually is already pretty. It's like a shimmery gold, but we can definitely put some words on it, but I'm not going to do that live. I will take care of that later because I'm not sure what words I want to put on it yet. So see, already you can see this kind of taking its own turn already just by adding all of that. Don't be scared to add some fun stuff. I've got some different color picks I'm going to be adding as well. So in a matter of minutes, this can start looking really beautiful, and but you did it. Okay, so I'm going to just keep adding. Any more questions, Grace?
No, I still can't see any comments.
Okay, that is so weird. Don't forget to share, everybody, and thank you for joining me this morning.
Mom, there might be some times where the internet's it's trying to reconnect sometimes.
Why is it doing that of all mornings? Talk about when the internet is not working with you. And you know why? Because I put it on Wi-Fi, and I never have it on Wi-Fi, ever, ever, ever. Because I have unlimited. I used to work for 18. Huh? Okay, so here is some greenery bush. So we're going to be adding some of this in there as well. Just kind of sticking it wherever. See how that's different greenery as well mixed in with the stuff that looks frosted. And now that I'm looking at this, I totally forgot the whole centerpiece to this design. Let me go ahead and put it in before I forget. Okay, so look, I found this beautiful deer. Where did I get it at? I think I got it at TJ Maxx or Home Goods. Okay, so I'm gonna work this deer in before I forget. Okay, so I like that the legs were kind of like already hard and metal and picks, and I can just stick it in here. So I know I had her stuck in there yesterday, so just kind of move stuff around. And because there is foam in there, we're just into the planter box. So there we go. She's right on the middle candle. So there's a total of 7 candles on this one. So when you're looking for, you know, a planter box and you're thinking about adding a centerpiece, make sure there's a middle candle so that you're not off center. Unless you like off center, that's totally up to you. And thank you everybody for joining this morning. Definitely early for me right now, especially since I stayed up super late. Okay, so here's another fun pick. This looks like it's got like snowflakes on it. Definitely look for all kinds of different picks to fill up your decor. And the magic of this is you can tear it apart. Look at that, because they all have wire in them. So that's what you're looking for, is anything you can tear apart. So this might have been, you know, a $1.50 pick, but now you just made it, you know, triple itself. All right. So that's what I tend to look for, is can I pick it apart? And since it's foam, we're just gonna stick this in there. I hear the birds chirping and it's raining outside. Maybe they think it's spring. All right, so I just wanted to mention to you that I'm on this morning to talk about Creator's Digest. And Creator's Digest is a collaboration of 5 online wreath and home decor designers. You've got Mill and Dill Designs that shows you how to make an awesome centerpiece with a beautiful Santa. I show you how to do a beautiful mantle from beginning to end, from the staging to how to pick out your focal pieces that you get on the tutorial. But I show you how to stage everything from the top to the bottom and pick out your pieces and all of that. So I show you all of that. So you get a video and I walk you through that. And then you've got Julie Steele Mako of Southern Charm Wreaths that shows you our lighting to whether you start at the top or the bottom with and all of that. So even though you might not necessarily have a, there's people that like traditional Christmas colors and people that, want to go all out. Let me apply the techniques that we're teaching you in that tutorial bundle. And then you have Nick Criticos, which y'all, I'm sure y'all are very aware of Nick. And he shows you how to make a beautiful wreath using the golds and the creams as well, and that you can find at Walmart and make it fantabulous. So what's awesome about the Creators Digest collaboration is that you don't have to hire a professional. You can just simply buy our videos, and it's open until next Wednesday, the cart is, and purchase all 5 videos, and we take you step by step. And Hometalk has a link up at the top that you can click on. They are an affiliate for the project that has never, ever, ever been done before. So we're excited that they saw how DIY community that Hometalk is, and how it can turn any person that might be craft challenged or, the DIY person into 5 of our videos. So you will have access to all the videos for forever, I guess. They will be sent to your email and you can watch them whenever. Okay. Is everything okay? Okay. All right. So see how just adding all of that made it beautiful, and you can definitely add a whole bunch more. Like, look at all of this stuff that we can add. And you can just stick that in, bring in whatever color scheme that you have. And if you don't want to put any of that, this already looks beautiful already. Okay, are we good to wrap it up? Because I talked too much. Okay guys, so I guess we're done. Again, just add whatever you want. You can, add some more ornament balls or whatever, stick whatever picks that you want in there. But let me go ahead and show you how beautiful this looks already just by adding some greenery and turning it from a fuddy-duddy. All right guys, thanks for joining me again. I'm Clara-Nicole of She's Crafty Too, and don't forget to head over to the link up top that Hometalk has for the Creators Digest and Decor. What? Okay, y'all have a great afternoon. I'm getting confused over here. All right, you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.